All right, I'm the flat rate master, and let's say you're at a shop that doesn't have a shop foreman. They don't have anybody in-house to help you. You're a young technician and nobody seems to want to help you. I'm going to give you some tips on how to improve that situation. There's going to be some hard little lessons in this for a lot of young technicians, so don't feel attacked. It's a common theme. So you're in a shop that has multiple experienced technicians and probably multiple younger technicians that are trying to learn. Now, there's lots of good training online, like, YouTube and going to training and all that kind of stuff. But practically what you deal with, it may be hard to apply that stuff to. And it's really helpful to have, obviously, a mentor to give you advice and set you on a path that will help you discover what you need to discover, i.e. fixing the car. Well, if nobody in the shop wants to invest in you, and that's what I really mean to say, is they need to invest in you. How do you get a senior tech to invest in you? Most young technicians, they go around, they ask a lot of questions and can easily irritate, grumpy old techs. I'm very forthcoming in helping young technicians. I always have been. And, it may sometimes may be tough love. I may make you actually do some work and not give you the answers. I may point you in a direction. I may ask you questions that you don't have the answers to, but that's something that you need to understand. When you get pushback from older technicians like that don't seem to want to help you, is because they have not invested in you. You're a young tech that may or may not be around in 6 months. How do you get around that? By investing in them. Help them. When you see them struggling with something, help them. When, they ask you to help, move something, heavy or whatever, don't complain. Run over there, grab them, help them. If you see them struggling with something, go see if they need help. Invest in them. Also, you need to get to know them. And what I mean by that is not, going over there and asking 20 questions about the car you're working on. Ask them about them, talk to them, be friendly. Friends are more likely to help other friends, just saying, but invest in them. Talk to them. They may be grumpy. They may, be like, oh, this young tech just wanting to get information out of me, but help them. The more you help them, the more inclined they are to, help you. Kind of sometimes the way it works. Keep in mind, some of this advice may not work. Some guys just don't want to, help young technicians. Some guys just don't care. Let's be honest. Keep in mind, it also does not have to be the most senior tech in the shop. It may be the guy that's a couple stages ahead of you. It may be the guy that's in the middle of the group. Find the most likely in that shop to help you. As you go through and talk to them, figure out who might be the one that will give you the best advice going forward. And then, now this is really, really, really important. Don't bug them. Don't go over there for information you can find out yourself. Don't go over there asking them for Torx specs. Don't go over there asking them where this fuse is. Don't go asking them for the simple stuff. You want to go over there with information. When you need advice, go over there with all the stuff you have done, all the stuff that you have tested. Don't go over there, I've got this light on. What do I need to do? They're going to walk away. It's just the way it is. But if you go over there and go, I've got this code and I've smoke tested it, I've checked the wiring, and I can't seem to find this leak. You got any advice for me? You got any direction for me? Simple question. And most people are going to want to help you if you've given them that information that, yes, I'm trying to do this on my own, but I'm in over my head and need some advice. Now, it might be something simple as, check this. It might be something as simple as, I don't know, let's go look at it. The more information you give them, the more likely they are to help you. It's as simple as that. Going over there and going, yeah, I got this code. What do I do? It's not going to help you. It's not going to help. It's not going to make them want to help you because they don't see the value in, well, doing your job for you. But if you put in the effort, they will want to help you in most cases. People are people, so everybody's different. But the thing is when you invest your time into trying to do it without their help, and then they see that you tried, they're much, much more likely to come over and help you. Even if it's going, walking over and going, oh, did you not see this? You sure you tested that right? I mean, I can't tell you how many times just a different set of eyes has fixed a car. When somebody else noticed something you didn't. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.